Hi and welcome to our analysis of Eicher Motors Limited. Eicher Motors was incorporated in 1982, a leading player in the Indian automobile industry and the global leader in middleweight motorcycles. Eicher has a joint venture with Sweden's AB Volvo to create Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Limited. The joint venture is engaged in Eicher Motor Limited's truck and bus operations, auto components business, and technical consulting services business, as well as in Volvo Group's India truck sales and marketing functions, services, and spare parts network for both Volvo trucks as well as buses. Since 2019, the company's stock has generated impressive returns, with a CAGR of 19%, and it has approximately doubled its revenue since 2020. In this video, we will delve into the industry landscape, opportunities in motorcycle industry, Eicher Motors business classification, shareholding, management, financials, management outlook for the future, and strengths and weakness. Let's get started on the stock analysis of Eicher Motor Limited. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. We are PA Wealth, an investment services group. We offer stocks PMS, mutual funds, alternative investment funds, insurance, and startup investments. Every week, we upload research videos on different companies, mutual funds, and financial topics. Stay ahead of the curve with the latest trends and insights by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to get notified about potential multi-bagger stocks. Let's take a look at the industry landscape. In financial year 2024, the domestic two-wheeler industry recorded sales of 17,974,365 units, up from 15,862,087 units in financial year 2023, while exports dropped to 3,458,416 units from 3,652,122 units. The two-wheeler AV industry grew 29% year-on-year, reaching 940,000 units. Domestic commercial vehicle sales rose slightly to 967,878 units from 962,468 units in financial year 2023. The long-term outlook for the commercial vehicle industry remains positive, driven by strong macroeconomic conditions, steady passenger vehicle replacement demand, increased infrastructure investments, and improving freight demand. Let's discuss the opportunities in motorcycle industry. The market share of motorcycles over 250cc in India has grown from 2.5% in financial year 2014 to 8.1% in financial year 2024, driven by rising aspirations and increasing per capita income. The global mid-sized motorcycle segment is underserved, with few brands operating. Companies are responding with launches, events, and rides. Now, let's delve into the business classification of Eicher Motor. First, Royal Enfield. Royal Enfield is a brand which manufactures two-wheelers mid-weight, that is, 250cc to 750cc premium segment motorcycles, which has its presence from 1901. It currently operates in India and over 60 countries with 5 subsidiaries around the world. It has 88.2% market share in India's mid-size 250cc to 750cc mid-size motorcycle segment. The company recorded its highest ever sales volume of 835,000 units in financial year 2024. Second, Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles. Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Limited is a joint venture between Eicher Motors Limited and Volvo Group with a share of 54.4% and 45.6% respectively. In operation since July 2008, the company includes the complete range of Eicher branded trucks, light, medium and heavy-duty vehicles, with gross vehicle weight of 4.9 to 55 tons and buses with a seating capacity of 12 to 72, under Skyline and Starline brands. Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles volume increased by 7.5% from financial year 2023 to financial year 2024, which is greater than the industry growth. This increase in volume resulted in increase in Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles market share from 16.9% in financial year 2023 to 17.5% in financial year 2024. Let's take a look at the shareholding of Eicher Motor. The promoters are the largest shareholders of Eicher Motor with a holding of 49.15%. Mutual funds hold 6.55% of the shares. Foreign institutional investors hold 28.95% of the shares. The public holds 10.76% of the shares. Other institutions include several investors, such as banks and insurance companies. They hold 4.59% of the shares. Now, let's look at the management of Eicher Motor. S. Sandilya is the chairman and non-executive independent director of Eicher Motor Limited. He joined Eicher in 1975. He was the managing director of Eicher Motors Limited, the commercial vehicles manufacturing business unit of the group till 1998, before being given the added responsibility for group finance and strategic planning. Siddhartha Lal is the Managing Director and CEO of Eicher Motors Limited, the flagship company of Eicher Group in India. Siddhartha has also been the Chief Executive Officer of Royal Enfield between 2000 and 2004 and the Chairman of Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles from 2012 to 2017 and 2020 to 2023. He holds a master's degree in automotive engineering from the University of Leeds and is a Cranfield University qualified mechanical engineer. B. Govindarajan is the Chief Executive Officer at Royal Enfield and also serves as whole-time director on the board of Eicher Motors Limited. He has spent over 23 years at Eicher Motors Limited and at Royal Enfield. He holds a mechanical engineering degree from Annamalai University, Tamil Nadu and a postgraduate diploma in materials management. Mr. Vinod Agarwal serves as Managing Director and CEO of Volvo Eicher Commercial Vehicles Limited, a joint venture between Eicher Motors and AB Volvo of Sweden since 2010. He has an experience of 43 years, out of which 40 years have been with Eicher Group. He is a commerce graduate from Punjab University and is a fellow member of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. Now, let's focus on the financials of Eicher Motor. The company's revenue has grown at a CAGR of 9.9% over the past 9 years, increasing from 6,173 crore rupees in financial year 2016 to 16,536 crore rupees in financial year 2024. Subsequently, the company's profit after tax has also shown growth, rising from 1,338 crore rupees in financial year 2016 to 4,001 crore rupees in financial year 2024 at a CAGR of 9.03%. At last, its free cash flow as recorded in the financial year 2024 was 2,819 crore rupees. Let's now turn to the management commentaries to get a better understanding of the company's performance. The company's long-term goal is to establish itself as a global premium motorcycle brand based in India. The company is the best-selling motorcycle brand in the 250cc to 750cc midsize market in India, Korea, and the UK, second in Thailand, and third in France, Italy, and Australia. It has been the largest market outside of India by sales volume over the last 3 fiscal years. Royal Enfield's market share is roughly 7.8% in North America and 7.9% in Latin America. Company gained number 1 position in the UK with 20.4% market share in the midsize motorcycle segment. Furthermore, it is the third largest player in the midsize motorcycles segment in Europe. The company had its highest ever annual sales of 85,560 units, representing a 7.5% gain. Annual parts sales reached a record of 2,118.46 crore rupees, up 24% compared to financial year 2023. It had a market share of approximately 10% in heavy-duty vehicles and 35.8% in light and medium-duty trucks. The company's high prospective markets over the next 5 to 10 years are Southeast Asia and Latin America. During the year, the company expands into Turkey. It has also established the 5th completely knocked-down unit outside India, in Nepal. Let's look at the strengths and weakness of Eicher Motor. Strengths. First, established a niche brand positioning, with continued leadership position in mid-weight premium sub-segment. Eicher Motors' Royal Enfield brand has over 90% market share in the greater than 250cc displacement sub-segment of motorcycles, domestic, and has maintained its leadership position for over a decade. Second, expanding product range and improving technical capability. Regular new launches and product variations underpin Eicher Motor Limited's technical prowess. With the launch of its Himalayan, the Twins, Meteor, Hunter and Super Meteor models, the company has demonstrated its capability to develop new models from the ground up, incorporating a new engine as well as platform. Weakness. Lack of segment diversification and rising competition in premium segment. Eicher Motors' product portfolio is concentrated in the 250cc to 750cc sub-segment, which caters to a niche clientele. Despite year-on-year improvement over the years, the sub-segment constitutes only approximately 8% of the total two-wheeler market in India. That's all for today. We hope you found this video helpful. If so, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more research-based financial content and click the bell icon for potential multi-bagger stocks. In the comments below, let us know what topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.